Hello guys, welcome to this video. I recommend you watch this video thousands of times and first test in demo account. Thank you for watching to this video and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Price action. Look at price action. Look at the chart. I have price action. Yes. Back price. Price go by. Return price. This area. Again. Return price. Again. Return price. Price go buy, price go sell. Price go buy, price go sell. Back price, back price, back price. This point, this candle, this shadow. This point. Look at the chart, this point. Back price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, back price. Price go sell and back price, price go buy. This point. Please look at the mouse, look at the chart. Again, back price. This line is price action, have a price action. This line have a price action. Yes, I want open position on the line. Yes, continue. This candle, this candle, this candle. Green candle, I want open position. Next candle open position after candle have a stop loss. Stop loss have a buffer. This point. Look at here is stop loss. This point is active price action and open position. Profit is price action, is area price action. Yes, this point is profit. Please look at the chart. Continue. Yes, one candle, active strategy, open position and take a profit. I get profit. Continue please. I open position. Yes, red candle, full candle, big candle, return candle, I open position. After candle is a stop loss. This point is a stop loss. Next red candle, I open position. Active price action. Yes, open. Yes, this area is profit. Take a profit. Yes, price go sell. Yes, I take a profit. Yes, active strategy and open position. This point. Next. Yes, take a profit. Yes, good position, good position. This position have a profit. Yes, this candle, green candle have a back price, have a back candle. This point is a stop loss. A stop loss have a buffer. This point, active strategy and open position. This point, upline is profit. Look at here, look at here. Is profit, this is profit. Continue please. Yes, active strategy. Yes, red candle is profit. Very good, wonderful. Is great position. Continue. Yes, continue. I can open position sell. Yes, is profit. This position have profit. Yes, fast sell. It's very good. The best price action. Please look at the chart. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching to this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share. Write your opinion about this video. Please watching this video again. Thank you so much.